In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla keycard not working. So let's get started. So first of all, I need you guys to guide yourselves onto the website tesla.com/owner's manual and then click on the car that you own. For the sake of the video, I'll be clicking on Model X and then proceed to choose the language you're compatible with. And now you'll be redirected to a page with a bunch of options to the left. Here, I want you to click on the drop-down button for opening and closing and then click on keys. Here, you'll find a bunch of options, information about types of keys, and the one we're looking out for is key card, okay? There's also a dedicated section to it, so I want you to have a good read at this page, and if it helps you fix your problem, that's great. If it doesn't, I do have a couple more fixes to share with you. So, first, take a good look at your key card. If it's scratched, bent, or cracked, it might not be scanning properly. If there's visible damage, you may need to replace it, but if it looks fine, let's move on to the next step. Sometimes dirt or grease can interfere with the connection. Grab a clean, dry cloth and wipe both your keycard and the center console reader. If you have any alcohol wipes, those work great too. Just make sure everything's dry before trying again. If cleaning didn't help, try positioning the card differently. Place it flat against the reader with Tesla logo facing up. If that doesn't work, slowly slide it around the sensor area to see if it picks up the signal. Still no luck? It could be a software glitch. A simple reboot system might do the trick. Hold down both scroll wheels on your steering wheel until the screen turns off. Then wait a few seconds for it to restart. Once it's back on, try scanning your keycard again. If your keycard is still not working, you might need to re-register it. Grab your phone and go to Tesla app or the car's touchscreen. Navigate to Locks in the settings, then tap Add Keycard. Follow the prompts to reprogram it, and you should be good to go. And if nothing works, you can still use the Tesla app on your phone as backup key while you figure things out. If your keycard is completely unresponsive, you may need to visit a Tesla service center for a replacement. So that'll be it for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.